Thanks for taking a quick time to view our infomercial. I'm with Credit Associates. The #1 credit repair franchise in America is before you. We are currently seeking franchise owners and outside business agents. National Credit Associates removes all negative and derogatory credit from all 3 credit bureaus, or we pay you $10,000. It's 100% legal, permanent removal. We are looking for franchise owners. Visit our website, nationalcredit10000.com, or call us at 815-528-5441. Other opportunities available at diversifiedconcepts.net. Again, that's nationalcredit10000.com. We remove all negative credit 100% legally and permanently, or pay you $10,000 back. This is the #1 credit franchise opportunity in America. Jump on it. Doesn't cost very much. Give me a call, 815-528-5441. Thanks. Have a good day.